In the story of Wild, elephants are the chapter that speaks of strength, memory, and grace. They are the gardeners of forest, guardians of rivers, and storytellers of the land. Elephants are more than animals. They are the living legends walking among us. Let me share few amazing facts about elephants before we deep dive and learn more about them in this session on Know Your Elephants. Elephants are the largest land mammal. African elephants stand up to 13 feet tall, that's as high as the ceiling, and they can weigh up to 7,000 kgs, that's as much as 5 cars. Elephants have incredible trunks that has 40,000 muscles with no bones and can lift heavy logs, pick up a peanut and even act like a snorkel while swimming. Trunks are also used for breathing, drinking, smelling, touching, and communication. Despite their size, elephants are strong swimmers and can cross rivers or lakes by paddling and using their trunks to breathe. They communicate through vibrations. Elephants can pick up seismic signals through their feet, detecting rumbling of other elephants miles away. A very few animals have passed the mirror self recognition test, which is considered a sign of self awareness and complex cognition, and elephants are one of them. They grieve like humans. Elephants mourn their dead. They have been observed visiting the bones of deceased elephants and touching them gently with their trunks. Babies suck their trunks. Much like human babies suck their thumbs, elephant calves suck their trunks for comfort. They can smell water miles away. Elephants have exceptional sense of smell that allows them to detect water from a great distance, with some sources indicating that they can smell water from up to 19 kilometers away and even detect water underground. They use the olfactory cues to locate both natural and artificial sources of water, which is vital for their survival, especially during dry seasons. Females rule the herd. Elephant herds are led by the oldest and the wisest female, called the matriarch, who guides the group using her memory of water sources and migration paths. Their ears are built in AC units. Elephants flap their large ears to cool down. The ears are filled with blood vessels and flapping help lower body temperature. Each elephant has unique tusks. Tusks made up of ivory are actually elongated teeth, modified upper incisors, and no two sets of tusks are same, just like human fingerprints. Elephants use them for defense, digging, and stripping bark. They are left or right tusks. Just like humans are left or right handed, elephants have preferred tusks they use more often. They are highly intelligent. Elephants have brains weighing up to 5 kg, among the largest in land animals. They show self awareness, memory, and reasoning. They have a strong memory. It's earned them the phrase, an elephant never forgets. They remember water sources, migration paths, and even humans for years. They have a long term memory and have been seen remembering people who have treated them kindly or badly even after decades. There are three main species of elephant in the world. Two of these species are found in Africa and one in Asia. African savanna elephant or African bush elephant is the largest living land animal. They have a huge fan shaped ears shaped like an African continent. Its range spans East Africa, Southern Africa, and parts of Central Africa. They prefer open grasslands, savannas, and woodland habitats, often near water sources. The largest population today are in Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Tanzania, though their range has shrunk due to habitat loss and poaching. The other elephant found in Africa is an African forest elephant, which is smaller and more elusive than the savanna elephant, inhabiting the dense tropical rainforest of Central and West Africa. It has straighter, downward pointing tusks with smaller, rounded ears. Adapted to thick forest cover, they play a crucial ecological role as mega gardeners by dispersing seeds and maintaining forest structure. However, their populations have sharply declined due to their poaching for ivory and habitat loss. According to IUCN status, they are critically endangered. The Asian elephant is found across South and Southeast Asia. India hosts over half of the world's wild Asian elephants. They inhabit diverse landscapes from grasslands and dry forest to tropical rainforest, but their range has been reduced and fragmented due to habitat loss, human elephant conflict, and poaching. Let us compare quickly some main features that differentiate African savanna elephant with Asian elephant. African savanna is the largest land animal with males up to 4 meter tall, while Asian elephant is comparatively smaller. The ears of African savanna are huge fan shaped, while the Asian elephant has smaller rounded ears. Both males and females of African savanna elephants have tusks, but in Asian elephants only males have tusks. The shape of back in African elephants slope down in middle giving concave shape, while Asian elephants has convex protruding out or level shaped back. The head is rounded with single dome in African savanna, while the head of Asian is twin domed with indent or depression in the middle. The end of the trunk has two finger like tips in African savanna, while Asian elephant has one finger like tip at the trunk end. An elephant's skeletal structure is not built to carry heavy weights on its back. Unlike horses, which have a rounded spine suited for carrying loads, an elephant's backbone has upward pointing sharp bony protrusions. This vulnerability means that a constant pressure from mahout, a saddle, and tourist can cause severe permanent spinal damage, including broken bones, sunken spines, and pressure sores. For over 4,000 years, elephants have been a part of India's culture and historical fabric, from royal war animals and temple icons to logging helpers. Ancient Sanskrit texts and Mughal chronicles celebrate their strength and symbolism. Today, despite protection under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972, many remain in captivity for tourism, festivals, and rituals, sparking debates on welfare and conservation ethics. Elephants are more than just magnificent animals. They are keystone species that shape ecosystems and are living symbols of India's cultural heritage. Yet, habitat loss, poaching, human elephant conflict, and unethical captivity threaten their survival. Saving elephants is not just about conserving a species, it's about preserving a legacy of harmony between humans and nature for generations to come. Saving elephants is saving the wild for our children. They walked this land before us. Let them walk it after us. Goodbye.